Hello, everyone. How you doing today? I am Ryan McCrary from the McCrary Financial School. I hope everyone is doing well. It's Friday, Financial Fridays, and today I just wanted to talk about Facebook a little bit. A lot of things been going on with Facebook, and I think it's something definitely worth talking about. I know a lot of people will probably be seeing this from Facebook, maybe some people from YouTube or Twitter, other places, but most people will see this from Facebook. So I thought it was very important to talk about what's going on with Facebook stock, Facebook as a company, and how a lot of people can take advantage of this or at least know what's going on. So Facebook stock currently is trading at like $173.13. It's up today about $2, almost $3. So Facebook stock has been doing tremendous. So it's important to think if you're going to be on Facebook all day, every day, like me, I do a lot of things on Facebook. I'm on Facebook a lot, do business on Facebook, personal, all that stuff. And a lot of people do too. But if you're going to be on Facebook a lot, I would suggest you have some equity in the company. Facebook is making people a lot of money. Of course, Mark Zuckerberg, him, but other people, other investors, people are making a lot of money. Mark Zuckerberg alone, I was reading something from Business Insider. He's already made $20 billion this year in 2017. I'm going to repeat that. Mark Zuckerberg has already, just this year, just 2017, not last year, not the year before, not the years before, and just in, I guess, what, 6, 7 months, he's already made $20 billion. And he's getting rich off all of us engaging on Facebook and the groups and live streams, all that stuff. He's making 20 billion already this year. So you need to take advantage of opportunities, and there are opportunities to purchase some equity into Facebook. So for $173, you can buy a share of Facebook. So I know it's Friday, people want to get turned up. That's cool, nothing wrong with turning up. But instead of going to the club that you might pay 25, 30, 40, 50, 100 to get in, plus drinks, bottles. I know bottles in the club cost more than that. I done spent more than that on a bottle in the club. So if you're going to do all that, you might as well take advantage of some Facebook stock. Now, I don't give specific advice. I'm not telling you specifically to pick it. I'm just saying a lot of things are going on with Facebook. So Facebook, if you would have bought it a year ago from today, like July, end of July, you would have paid $123.94. I have a couple shares. I think I bought some. I bought them about a year and a half ago, like around early 2016. I think I got it for like 110, maybe something like that. And so a year ago from today, you would have paid like 125, 120, whatever. And now it's up to 173. So I think that's like a 35, 40% return in the year or something like that. So Facebook is just on a tear. Like it's really on a tear. If you would have bought it 3 years ago, you would have paid like 57 and just keeps going down. Like 5 years ago, you would have paid 20 some dollars for a share of Facebook stock. So you need to take advantage of this. You need to be aware of this information. And my prediction is that honestly, currently, Facebook is still undervalued. Facebook is still undervalued. This share price is going to be worth $1,000 very soon. I'm telling y'all now. I predict. Now, don't quote me on this. Don't go say I bought all these shares of stock because he said it's going to be $1,000. No, I ain't doing nothing like that. But in my professional opinion, I think Facebook will be at $1,000 very, very soon, as sooner than you know it. So you might want to hop on it early. A lot of the analysts are saying this as well. A lot of the analysts are saying Facebook is actually going to surpass Google. I'm telling y'all, they're saying Facebook is going to surpass Google. They said, I guess last time, I don't know if it was a year or 2 years ago, last time they did like a lot of earnings valuations, Facebook was 1/3 of Google. And I think 2 years later or 3 years later, maybe 5 years, whatever, no more than five, I don't think. Now Facebook is half the size of Google. So they were a third a few years ago. Now they're half the size of Google. And they're only going to keep getting better. Last couple things I'll share before I wrap this video. They were saying like, well, Google, the comparison with Google and Facebook, like Google does own YouTube, but they're not really buying a lot of other companies. They're not doing a lot of other acquisitions. So like I said, Google does own YouTube. They own other things as well, But Facebook owns Instagram. A lot of people didn't know Facebook owned Instagram. So they do own Instagram. They own the WhatsApp. Some people use the WhatsApp for communication. I've used it before. It's a very good platform. And of course, they have Messenger. Messenger is separate entity than Facebook. It's a separate company. It's owned by Facebook, but Messenger is something different in itself. So Facebook is Facebook, but it also owns those other three big platforms: Instagram, the WhatsApp, and Messenger. And they were saying, like, with Messenger and the WhatsApp, they haven't even developed a strategy to monetize those platforms. So they're still just putting them out, people using them. They got millions and billions of users on those platforms like Messenger and WhatsApp, but they haven't even put in the strategic plan to actually monetize those platforms yet to make money. So a lot of crazy things going on with Facebook. Amazon as well. You definitely want to know what's going on with Amazon. Shout out to Jeff Bezos, is now the richest person in the world. Just surpassed Bill Gates. He's now worth, I think, 90 billion. Bill Gates is like 88 or 89 billion, so we just passed them, but they still neck and neck. But Amazon doing amazing things. They're trading, I think, like over $1,000, 1,024 shares, something like that. Me, I don't even have Amazon stock yet. I'm not on that level yet, I'll be honest. Amazon stock is on another level. When I buy Amazon stock, I don't just want to buy 1, 2 shares, a couple thousand. I want to buy a lot, and that stock is on another level. But if you are on that level, if you have that type of capital, you might want to buy some Amazon stock as well. Amazon is doing so many amazing things. They're literally changing the world as we speak. So you want to pay attention to what's going on with Amazon. So that's pretty much it for this video. The last thing I do want to say is, as far as Facebook, they're saying that now Facebook's going to start getting into more like video content, getting their live streams better and stuff like that, because the video quality is really not that great compared to other platforms. But now, once they still going into like real heavy into video, into developing original content, that's when you'll see Facebook take off and just really be on another level. So I just wanted to drop this information. So like I said, the main point of this is, it's Friday. You want to get turned up. You want to do whatever. You want to go down to the beach for the weekend. Do that. Have fun. Have a ball. Of course, I'm not hating on nobody for nothing you do. But if you calculate what money you're going to spend this weekend, calculate that. Everything that you're going to spend, being a consumer, having no value, having no equity. I do it too, so I'm not looking down on anybody. But I want you to just calculate what you're going to spend this weekend, and just see how much of Facebook stock you could have bought, because you're going to be on Facebook anyway. You're going to be on Facebook all day anyway. So you're going to be down the beach. You're going to be at the bar. You're going to be at the club, wherever, on vacation, down Miami, Vegas, taking pictures, putting it on Facebook or Instagram, because Instagram's owned by Facebook. So most of you probably going to be on Instagram, taking all these pictures, spending all this money in the club, but you're not taking advantage of the money you can make for being an investor in the company. So it's just $173 a share. You may want to consider getting on it, because my prediction is it will hit $1,000 very soon. Google's at 1,000, and this company will surpass Google. A lot of people are saying, and I don't know if I'm all the way on board with that, but it's hard to argue with it. So you may want to consider getting it. Financial Fridays, let's all be financially literate.